Alright, man, listen. I had to do it. You know, I went and bought a new set of Copic markers. As you can see, if you don't know what Copic markers are, they're alcohol brush markers, and you know, they're a little bit on the expensive side, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I just picked up the Copic set A. And listen, I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I've been using Copics for almost 3 years now, and I really didn't have too much colors, to be honest. I had the skin tones, the grays, and I had like some of the individual markers like I picked up, but I didn't have that big of a collection. So you can see I had to pick up the 72 pack, the Copic set A. We got some new markers to go crazy with though. But listen, I'm broke. Like, I can't buy anything else though. You know, I spent my money on this. I could not buy anything else. I was gonna do a customization, another shoe video, but I can't buy the shoes anymore. You know, I ain't buy nothing else. You know, it's gonna be a while before I get some new supplies for another video. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I'm going on a budget. I'm about to download a budget app, get a budget planner. You know, I'm not playing around. I really can't spend any more money now. On another note though, I hope y'all stay safe from this virus, bro. The spring break for my college, like my college spring break, actually ended up getting extended to help stop the spreading of it. It's like getting wild. But listen, as you can see right in front of you, I'm gonna be coloring Uzi right now, my Uzi drawing. The OGs on this channel, people with me back in the day, you remember I drew Lil Uzi way back in the day. I drew him as like a Fairly Odd Parent, I think. Yeah, we had to go nuts with that. But like I said, I'm good. Like this video, you know, I wanted to use my new markers, break them out, so I'm gonna be trying to get all type of close-up, zoomed-in footage of me coloring and stuff. That's mainly what I tried to make this video about.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back now. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Yeah, you're making it so hard. Yeah, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard.
Now I'm gonna stop the video for a second. I want to show you guys a list of the videos that I have planned upcoming for the next week. I just want you guys to let me know, give me your thoughts. Let me know which ones that you want to see the most. You know, it's just like a little notes I have written down, some of the stuff I wanted to do. But please, like, leave a comment, feedback. Let me know what video y'all want to see the most, so I can put it in like the order you want, add some new videos, whatever. Just let me know your thoughts on it. And listen, I know there's cheaper options. I know, like, I have some of them, the Ohuhu markers. It's an alcohol brush marker on a cheaper side, though not as expensive as Copic. But you know, I'm just obsessed with Copic. I don't know what to tell you. You know, I just got obsessed with them ever since I bought them. I like that you can refill them too. That's a big thing to me, like being able to refill them. I don't know if there is other markers you can refill like that. Please leave a suggestion or leave a comment, let me know. Like once I get money again, you know, I'll probably get some more markers, maybe different brands and stuff, test them out, whatever. You know, I'm open up to it, but I gotta, you know, it's gonna take some time though. Anyway, though, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your comment. Let me know what you thought about the list of videos I have planned out. Leave your suggestions for different type of markers I can try, whatever. You know, I'll go through them. But thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. and I'm out.